Today I'm going to explain a new strategy for beginner traders. It is very simple, and I think you will really like it once you understand how it works. In this setup, I will use 3 indicators that can help us read the chart more clearly. So, without wasting any time, let's understand it step by step. First, I add the alligator indicator. Then I go into its settings and make a few changes so that we can read the market direction more clearly. You can see the indicator settings on the screen. After that, I will also make a few color adjustments. And here, the alligator settings are complete. Now, we need to add the second indicator, which is the fractal indicator. I have kept its settings at default because there is no need to change them. After that, we need to add the momentum indicator, which is our third indicator. Keep its settings at default as well. I will only change its color settings, and then save it too. After this, I will set the timing to 2 minutes. Then, I will set the candle interval to 1 minute. For the chart type, I will use candlesticks. So here, all the settings are now complete. So let's observe how this setup appears on the live chart. So here, chart showed multiple confirmations. First, the price started showing weakness around the 2 active alligator lines. The lines were no longer supporting the upward move and began turning slightly downward. Second, the recent fractal structure showed that price was not holding strongly near the previous swing area. Third, the momentum indicator also started showing bearish pressure, which supported the possibility of a downward reaction. When these conditions appeared together, I chose to take the first downside position. After that, the next candle reaction also continued to support the same bearish movement, and momentum was still showing downside pressure. So, in this example, I was mainly focusing on 3 things: the direction of the alligator lines, the fractal structure, and momentum pressure. So here too, I can see 3 confirmations on the chart. First, price reacted from the lower area and started moving back above the 2 active alligator lines. The lines also began turning upward, which showed that the previous downward pressure was becoming weaker. Second, the fractal indicator formed a lower side reaction near the recent low, showing that price was trying to recover from that area. Third, the momentum indicator started moving upward from the negative zone, which supported the possibility of increasing buying pressure. When these conditions appeared together, I chose to take the first upward position. After that, the next candle also continued to move in the same direction. Price stayed above the active alligator lines, and the momentum bars remained supportive. No matter which strategy you follow, a wrong entry can make even your best analysis useless. So this position has now closed. Now I will look for the next chart. Here the chart is clearly moving in a bearish direction. First, the overall market structure is already weak, and price is trading below the 2 alligator lines. Both lines are also sloping downward, which shows that the market is still under bearish pressure. After that, the fractal indicator is also showing a downside signal. At the same time, the momentum indicator is supporting the bearish side as well. The bars are showing weakness, which suggests that downward pressure is still present in the market. Then, the next candle reaction is also supporting the same direction. So, in this setup, I am mainly focusing on market weakness, the direction of the alligator lines, fractal behavior, and momentum pressure. So, this position has now closed, but I will stay on this chart for a little longer because it is still showing a clear downward structure. The market is continuing to move lower, so I will keep watching the price action to see whether the bearish movement remains active. This time, I am trying to take a position based on only 2 confirmations, which can be risky. Here, the fractal indicator has not given a signal yet. Only the 2 alligator lines have crossed each other and are turning downward. At the same time, the pink momentum bar is also showing increasing bearish pressure. So, based on all this analysis, I think there is a possibility that the market may move downward. And here, this chart phase is now complete. By now, I think you have a clear idea of how this setup works. For educational purposes, we will analyze one more chart so that you can understand chart analysis in a better way. Here, I have found another simple chart structure that even beginners can analyze easily. All 3 confirmations are pointing toward a possible bearish move. The fractal indicator is showing a bearish signal, while the 2 active alligator lines have crossed each other and are turning downward with clear bearish alignment. At the same time, the momentum indicator is also showing bearish pressure. So, in this setup, the fractal signal, alligator direction, and momentum pressure are all supporting the downside view. So this chart phase is also now complete. Remember, the goal is not to chase every move on the chart. Focus on patience, practice, and understanding market behavior step by step. Keep learning, keep improving, and always manage your risk responsibly.